Good evening, or good morning, something like 2:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I am having a difficult time sleeping, so I'm trying to meditate. And I realized my mind just feeds off of itself like a monkey jumping from branch to branch. If I allow it. It was a beautiful day. And I have lots to be grateful for. This lovely, lovely rain. It's such a dark night. I am, after all, I am a creature of the night. I don't like the day. Light hurts my eyes, burns my skin. That's because I'm becoming one of the northern elven. I'm just kidding. I seriously do have a problem with the sun now. Ever since my skin cancer. But then I realized that I was told it was from chemical and radiation exposure from work. Fuck it. You know, it'd be cool if I lost like both hands, you know. And I could have like one hand like this total cool Mr. Dr. Gadget shit. Everything's in it. And the other tool could be for, I don't know how to put it, pleasuring. Or cooking, which is the same thing. Yeah, that's right. Think about it. Think about what happened. Think about what's happening now. And think about what's gonna happen. Cha 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 cha.